Oh, that was really, really great. Until I hit the building. Good afternoon. It's actually been about a week and a half since I've worked on the fire station. I had to go out of town, and so I haven't been able to work on it. And what I thought I would do first thing this morning, or today, is to actually clean up the inside of the fire station so that I could work and get the blocking on the floor joist done and just be able to move around in there a little bit. So I was like, well, I'll just go in here and I'll clean up. And I did get the walls done, so those are all finished off. But I was going to clean this up. So what I did is I grabbed the backhoe to start carrying stuff out and move it where it needed to go. And all that was really, really great until I hit the building with that. Not good. So as you can see here, this doesn't look like much of a hit there, but unfortunately it moved the building about a foot. So if you look down here, and I don't know how well you can see this, but this wall now goes like that. And if we look down here, you'll see where this used to be sitting over here. Make sure you can see that over here. It's been moved. And you can see the whole back, it's pushed some of the blocks off. So, in general, I just made a mess. I can fix it, and I'm going to right now. I wasn't going to film any of this cleanup here, but I am going to film me fixing my problem. So, what I'm going to do is I've got this chain hooked up here, and I'm going to bring the chain around. You'll see that I brought it around here. I'm going to move the backhoe so that I can hook on to that eye hook. And I'm going to take the bucket and tilt it down and then just roll it back. I'm going to drive the wedge here into the ground and then just roll the bucket back and unmess up the building and put it back where it belongs. So the good news in all this is that I hit it really hard, and the whole building honestly was just fine. I mean, it was not a big deal. So should be able to pull it back into place fairly easily. And I'm going to chain to there. And actually I may come through here. I may come through over there. But what I've done is I've set these feet, and then I've set the bucket so that when I pull on that, it should allow me to pull straight. So I'm going to go ahead and reset this up and give it a little tug and see what it does. Yeah, this will give me a little better leverage. There we go. Yeah, that'll pull pretty much. That pretty much will pull straight down. Let's see what happens. Okay, I barely pulled on that, and I think I may have pulled it too much. And the part that sucks is, well, I'm actually kind of liking this. Let's take a look down the corner here. Wow, this is looking almost perfect. It's your 100-plus-year-old fire station with that backhoe, knocked it out of square, and then used the backhoe to pull it back in the square. It's perfect as that can be. But let's take a look here, down the edge. So, yeah, I got to tell you, that's really nice and straight. That's very nice and straight. So, I'm going to leave this the way it is. And, yeah, I'm going to leave this the way it is for right now. And then I'm going to go around and do some measurements and, you know, make sure that there's not anything else in here that is going to surprise me later on. So I'm going to shut this off, get some measurements done, and I'll be back in a little while.